Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, let's open Settings on this device and then navigate down to Security and Privacy menu. In this menu, select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your password or create one if you haven't yet. Then go to Face Recognition. And before we start adding a face, I highly recommend just wiping your frontal camera with either a dry towel, or even better, if you have one, use a microfiber cloth. It can be even your sweater or your t-shirt if it's made of microfiber. And then what we're gonna have to do is tap Continue. Tap Register and make sure that the lights in your room are adjusted properly. Tap Register and then position your face in the circle. Move your head in different directions. Basically, just follow the instructions that your camera gives you. So first, position your face, then turn your head up slightly, then position your face in the frame again. And once your face is registered, we can try to unlock the smartphone using the face model that we just added. So just look at your phone screen when you are on the lock screen, and your phone will automatically unlock. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.